This video was a request by Icy Plays.
Today, I'm gonna build a wall. Ha 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 ha. Yay 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 yay. I finally built the wall. No more Mexicans. Way
I'm gonna destroy your wall.
No 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 no.
You're gonna give all the money you stole for the wall to the homeless people. And you will be grounded by your father.
Donald Trump, how dare you build a wall? That's it, you're grounded for life. Go to your room now.
Why?
Note, this is a reflection to the event which struck Capitol Hill, but this won't take place in real life. So, please enjoy this video as much as I do. Today is such a beautiful day. After a mass riot has taken over in Capitol Hill, I should be just fine. Now who could that be?
US President Donald J. Trump, you're under arrest for all the illegal stuff you've done for the past 4 years. You built a wall across the US-Mexico border to stop Mexicans from illegally entering the United States. You have disrespected the shooting of George Floyd, showing law and order to the country, and you also imposed a travel ban on Muslims around the Arab world. You've also downplayed the coronavirus pandemic, forcing schools to close and switch to virtual learning. You will be taken to court for your final days of your presidency, as well as the day of your execution. Come with me to the police car right now.
But, Dick Dastardly of the wacky races, I don't want to be taken to court.
Shut up, President Donald J. Trump. I'm taking you to court whenever you like it or not. So do me a favor and get in the police car right freaking now, you racist freak.
Order. Court is now in session. Today's case is about U.S. President Donald J. Trump, accused of all the bad stuff for the past 4 years, including disrespecting the shooting of George Floyd. The verdict should find if any cases according to Donald J. Trump's presidency would be guilty, or not guilty, if Donald Trump pleads. I would like to bring my father, Jokichi Morita, or Goofy, to the stand.
President Donald J. Trump is the worst president in existence. He constantly built a wall across the U.S.-Mexico border to stop the Mexicans from entering the country illegally. He also disrespected the shooting of our hero, George Floyd, and he also dishonored the Black Lives Matter campaign. And I'm proud to say that President-elect Joe Biden won the 2020 election on November. I would like to say that he needs to be out of the White House immediately.
Thank you, my father. I would like to bring Mr. Makoto Kimura, or Winnie the Pooh, to the stand.
Donald J. Trump is the meanest president ever. I remember back in 2019, he secretly met in Japan with Shinzo Abe.
And I also remembered that Donald Trump wanted to ban me in China for unwanted censorship.
That's because you and your kind isn't welcome here, Chinese stupid yellow bear!
Why should I believe in you after you banned me for trivial reasons, Donald J. Trump?
Because I am the 45th President of the United States! And I can do whatever I freaking well please, you Chinese Winnie the Pooh! You're not the boss of me!
That proves beyond all doubt that Donald Trump is the vice president in existence. I don't want to work for him anymore.
Thank you, Makoto Kimura, or Winnie the Pooh. I would now bring U.S. President Donald J. Trump to the stand.
All of their speeches were so annoying and freaking bull rubbish. I am the 45th President of the United States of America, and what I say follows to what you all do. I don't care if sleepy Joe Biden won the election. I don't care if I disrespected that black tyke. And I especially don't care if I downplayed the coronavirus pandemic. All of you are not the bosses of my gorilla-packed administration. If my name gets removed in my hotel in Las Vegas, there's gonna be hell to pay for you all.
Thank you, U.S. President Donald J. Trump. In accordance to the eyewitnesses' stories, I have now found U.S. President Donald Trump guilty of unpresidential things that have occurred for the past 4 years. Electricity will pass through your body in the electric chair on the day of your execution. Rufus Rough Cut and Dick Dastardly of Wacky Races, take him away.
Welcome to room number 19. This room has no ceramic heater, no air conditioner, no chair, and no water. You will stay there until the very day of your execution.
Great. Today is the last day of my presidency. How can my life get any worse than this?
Donald J. Trump, there's a visitor who wants to talk to you.
Donald J. Trump, I heard you're getting executed tomorrow. That's it, you are grounded for 1 quadrillion 5 quintillion years.
But Mr. Makoto Kimura or Winnie the Pooh, my friend, I am so very deeply sorry. Could you please bail me out of here and I will promise to be a nice president this time.
No, I'm afraid it's too late for that now. I also hope you suffer in jail and I hope you burn in heck. Everybody hates you, and nobody likes you. When we get a new president, everything's going to change, and the crisis shall be no more. Goodbye forever, Donald Trump. Your 4-year term as president is no more.
Wait, Mr. Pooh, I promise that I will become a better president and I promise to be respectful to all black Americans. Just don't walk away from me. It's no use now. It's too late. It's already 11:58 p.m. and it's near the end of my presidency. Tomorrow's going to be torture.
Come out, Donald J. Trump. It's execution time. So, Donald J. Trump, any last words before I execute you?
I'm very sorry, Rufus Rough Cut of the Wacky Races. But I don't want to die. I want to live forevermore as the 45th President of the United States of America.
Too bad, Donald J. Trump. Your reign of presidency is finally over. You've failed America, and you've downplayed the coronavirus pandemic. Goodbye forever, Donald J. Trump.
Please, don't, Rufus Rough Cut of the Wacky Races. I wanted to wish Joe Biden the best of luck and I want
Hooray! Former President Donald J. Trump is now dead. The world is finally in peace at last. And, oh my, look at the time. Inauguration Day. This is the day when Joe Biden gets inaugurated as the 46th President of the United States. Hooray for Joe Biden. Hooray!
Hooray! No more President Donald J. Trump. No more of that evil guy. The world is finally away from that malicious New Yorker. Hooray for us. Hooray for little old Pew. However, I'm just little old Winnie the Pooh. Willy-nilly silly old bear. This place sure is kinda haunted. I could sure use a friend or two.
My fellow Americans, today is America's Day. Today is democracy's day. And I am humbled to become a part of it, as the 46th President of the United States. Today is the day that we shine on into a new America, where we build back a better America. This is why, just moments ago, a feisty riot struck the Capitol Hill. This is why I'm asking you to join me, in unity and in harmony, to fight back the nasty coronavirus and reopen our wonderful theme parks, such as Walt Disney World. Let's see each other again. Let's talk to one another again. Let's begin character greetings in Disney parks again. Let's begin larger parades in Disney World and Disneyland. Together we can end climate change. Together we can stop the coronavirus pandemic.
I'm really looking forward to working with Biden toward a free and open Indo-Pacific, as well as on the coronavirus pandemic, climate change, and other global issues.
President Donald Trump, are you ready for your debate with Joe Biden today?
Huh? Joe Biden? He is so old that he is losing his mind. This debate will be easy.
Oh come on, he's not that senile. You should take this seriously, Mr. President.
There's no point. He is so senile that I bet he can't even last the whole time.
Joe Biden, are you ready for your debate with Mr. Trump today? Joe Biden, are you listening to me?
Oh, hi Kamala Harris, I didn't see you walk in.
Are you ready for your presidential debate today? Are you even listening to me?
No, yes, I don't know. Yes. Oh, I remember. All I need to do is say coronavirus is bad. It's all Trump's fault. Online school is bad, and I have a woman with me.
For Pete's sake, I hope you're ready.
Hang on, I'm coming.
It is time to leave now.
Wait, hold on just a second.
Seriously, Joe Biden, can you stop smelling the hair of every little girl you see?
It's my natural instinct. I can't help it.
Whatever, we need to leave.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the 2020 presidential debate between Joe Biden and Donald Trump. To start things off, we'll have Joe Biden come on stage and say the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the United States of America, one nation, for real, something God, indivisible, come on man, America.
Well, you tried I guess. Anyways, we will start the debate now. Please start by introducing yourself.
Hello, my name is Mickey Mouse.
Come on, introduce yourself properly please.
My name is Jimmy. My name is Joe Biden, and I am here to run for president of Nigeria.
Hang on, do you have dementia? You're already 77, are you even mentally healthy?
Of course I'm mentally healthy, my man, I don't have dementia for real.
Can you even tell me what country you're in?
What country are we in? That's an easy question. We are in Antarctica.
Well, Joe Biden, or should I say, Mickey Mouse, or should I say, Jimmy, you are not mentally fit to be here. You are not fit to be the president of America, or should I say Nigeria, or should I say Antarctica?
Really? For real man? Yayo 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 ha 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 ha.
No, Joe Biden, that is bad.
Oh, oops.
Oh, Joe Biden, how dare you forget your name and country and get kicked out. That's it. You are grounded for 79186792715612978 years, and we are also going to have a punishment day.
No, please not a punishment day.
Too bad. My political career is ruined because of you, and now I will punish you. For your first punishment, I will make you clean my toilet with only your spit and a toothbrush.
Okay, I'm done.
No, you missed a spot.
What? Where is that spot? The entire thing is clean.
Right there. Now get back to work, clean it all up. For your next punishment, I am going to lock you outside for 24 hours when it's really cold outside. Alright, get back in. It's time for your next punishment. For your third punishment, I am going to put you in a room full of little girls. and you can't smell them because you're tied to the desk.
Aw man, look at all those little girls, they have such nice hair, I really need to sniff them. But I can't, I'm tied to this desk and cannot move. Wah 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 wah.
For your next punishment, I will make you stay in jail for 523,409,583,204 years and do nothing but watch Dora all day long.
Aw man, this is a baby show, it is so annoying. Wait, I have an idea. Dang it, I can't even smell that little girl's hair through the TV.
For your fifth and final punishment, I am going to give you the coronavirus.
Cough cough, oh no, I have COVID-19 now, cough cough. I am about to die now.
Ha ha ha, he is dead. Ha 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 ha.
Hi, it's me, Thumbs Up Guy. Please give this video a like. Joe Biden, why are you smelling my hair? It's really creepy.
Because you did not subscribe to Pappy Animate 2012, I am smelling your hair.
Why? Please stop.
Guys, make sure you subscribe to Pappy Animate 2012, or I will smell your hair too.
Hola. Soy Dora, Dora the Explorer. Today I am going to go down south until I reach Mexico so I can help Donald Trump build a wall. Come on. Let's go! Okay. I have found a river. I see a sign. Can you read it for me? Good job! Now I know that this river leads to Mexico. Let's go in the boat so I can meet Mr. Trump. Great! We are now in the boat. Let's go! Off to Mexico.
6.5 hours later.
Hi, Mr. Trump.
Hi Dora. You arrived just on time. Now let's build a wall.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
Yay. We finally finished this wall. It took several months but it is worth it.
Well, I guess it's time to leave.
Okay Dora, I will call a helicopter over. Hello, bring me one chopper please. Okay bye.
Goodbye, Mr. Trump.
2 hours later.
Goodbye, helicopter. Well, thank you for coming on this wonderful adventure with me. I am going to go inside now.
Dora, where have you been?
Dora, we haven't seen you in months. We thought someone kidnapped you or something.
That's because I went on a great adventure. I went all the way down to the border to meet Donald Trump and we built a wall. It was the best adventure ever.
Dora, why would you build a wall? That was a very stupid idea.
You have just offended your own country. Now all of Mexico is mad at you.
You know that Donald Trump is a racist and a retard who is running for president and never bothered to read the Constitution of the United States.
That's it. You
are
grounded.
We called the police multiple times and they said that they got the FBI to search for you but they never found you. You have wasted thousands of tax dollars.
You owe a huge apology to all of the United States and Mexico, young lady. People have worked very hard for money for the government.
And then you just go off exploring and don't return home for several months. The funding for the FBI came out of the workers' wallets. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm sorry, Mammy, Papi and Abuela. I will never do it again.
Too bad. We don't care.
Go
to
your
room
now.
Wow.
Kids, come downstairs. Today is a very special day.
Oh boy, what is it, Mom and Dad?
We are all going downtown to the voting booth so we can all vote Joe Biden for president, and after that, we will go out for ice cream.
Yay, I love voting Joe Biden for president. Voting is gonna be so much fun. Yes, I agree. Joe Biden will be a good president for America. Don't you agree, Kalu and Kalu? Yes. Joe Biden will be the best president America has ever seen. No, what? I don't agree with you, Galu. Joe Biden is a terrible president. I will not be voting for him. I will be voting for Donald Trump. Donald Trump knows how to run things.
Kalu, how dare you say that? We do not tolerate Trump supporters in this house, and you will not be voting for him. You will vote for Joe Biden, and that's final.
We are going to vote for Joe Biden right now, and you will not be getting any ice cream for saying that. If you vote for Donald Trump, you will be grounded until the next election.
Ugh, fine, let's just get this over with.
Alright, guys, we are here at the voting booth. You will all vote for Joe Biden behind this curtain. Me and your mom will go first, and then it's your guys' turns. Got it?
Yes, Dad, we get it.
Alright then, I will vote now.
Screw my stupid Joe Biden supporting parents. I am going to vote for Donald Trump. No, stop, Kalu bad. Kalu is supposed to vote for Joe Biden, not Donald Trump. Kalu bad. We need to tell Mommy and Daddy about this. You are right, Rosie. Kalu disobeyed our family. He will be so grounded for this.
Alright, we are done voting. What did Kalu do?
Mommy and Daddy, Kalu is bad. He voted for Donald Trump.
He did what?
Hello gang, I am done voting.
Oh. Kalu. How dare you vote for Donald Trump? You were supposed to vote for Joe Biden.
That is so it, Kano. You are grounded until the next presidential election of 2024. And you will not be getting any ice cream.
Here you go, Obama. I hope you like this pizza. And here you go, Donald Trump. I hope you like this salad. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit.
This pizza looks good.
Cucumbers yucky, mushrooms yucky, pickles yucky, man and smelly. Hey, this isn't lettuce. What kind of salad is this?
Donald Trump. It's spinach. Why don't you have a taste?
This is spinach.
Is there something wrong?
This is spinach.
And I hate spinach.
Oh.
That's it. I quit.
Donald freaking Trump.
Back so soon? Did you have a good time?
I punched my salad and it exploded. All over the waiter and everyone was staring at us.
No more restaurants for you. You stupid racist piece of crap. Until you can behave and learn to eat what's placed in front of you. Now get out of the White House.
Why?
You know what, honey? Maybe next time we'll go to a restaurant. Just you and me. And Donald Trump will not be joining us.
I agree. We will both go to a restaurant tomorrow night.
Alright, since the election day is over, I'm going to see who wins this time and who will become our 46th President of America. What? Are you kidding me? I can't freaking believe Donald Trump lose and Joe Biden won and become our 46th president. This is so unfair. How can Joe Biden has 290 votes while Donald Trump has 214 votes? I want Donald Trump to be president again this year, not Joe Biden. I like Donald Trump because his behavior is really awesome and totally great than Joe Biden. And I know Joe Biden have cheated so that Donald Trump will be lose this time. And I don't want Joe Biden to be our 46th president. I want Donald Trump stay as president of America forever. Freak you, Joe Biden. You know what? I can't stand enough of Donald Trump being lose. I'm so freaking.
I don't want Joe Biden to be our new president. I want Donald Trump to be our president.
What Caillou rages at? I'd better go to his room. And what happened?
I want Donald Trump to be our president forever than Joe Biden.
Caillou, what are you angry about? My ear has been tired to hear you're angry.
Holy crap, it's my dad. I'm gonna be screwed.
Caillou, what the heck is wrong with you? How dare you destroy your own bedroom? You know this would take for me and your mother a lot of days to clean this bedroom, and would never clean your bedroom. Instead, you will clean this bedroom, because this is you're responsible for destroying your bedroom. And, you just destroyed that window, and you will get a lot of bites by mosquitoes on tonight until you get dengue fever. Because there's a chance that mosquitoes' eggs will come to your room and bite you, and you will land up in the hospital, or never help you for dengue fever. That's it. You are super grounded for 69 years. Oh, and I almost forgot. What did you rage at for?
Dad, I just rage at caps about Donald Trump, because he lose the election day of 2020, and I don't want Joe Biden to be our 46th president, so that's why I'm doing this.
Oh my god, Caillou, you Donald Trump fanboy, you rage at caps just because Donald Trump lose the election day of 2020? Well, Donald Trump deserved to get loose and Joe Biden deserved to be our new president of America, because Donald Trump's behavior is really bad and horrible, and Joe Biden is way better than Donald Trump. And, if Joe Biden won and Donald Trump lose, you're supposed to be admitted of Joe Biden become our new president of America, instead of raging at caps about Donald Trump lose. Win or lose is common, but importantly they already have a decision to be new president of America. That does it, you fanboy of Donald Trump. You are even more grounded for 1 decade. If you didn't destroy your bedroom, none of this will happen at all, and the mosquitoes will not come to your bedroom. Now clean your bedroom. If you don't want to, then sleep on the floor and have fun to get a lot of bites by mosquitoes.
You know what, Dad? I can't stand the not of you ground me for fun, and you just force me to do horrible things that I don't like. That does it. I will teach you a lesson for kept ground me this.
What? What are you gonna teach me a lesson for? You're not my boss, and I can ground you whatever I want. Now clean this bedroom or else you will get a punishment day. Now do it.
No, I refuse. That's it. Time to give you a lesson for kept ground me for fun. Take freaking this. There, this is what you get for kept ground me for fun. Now scram.
Mother of freaking God, Caillou freaking bald idiot. How freaking dare you beat me up just because I ground you? I told you, you're not my boss, and I am your own father, and you're supposed to listen to your father what he said, not beating your father up. That's it. I had absolutely enough with you. You are so grounded for 1000000. decades. And as for your punishment, I'm going to beat you up back for beating me up for my revenge.
No, Dad. Please don't beat me up. I'm so sorry for what have I done to you, Dad. That hurts so much.
Shut up, Caillou. This is what you get for beating me up for your revenge. Satisfied for beaten up by me? Well, take that. Now, clean this bedroom. But if you don't want to, then you'll have to sleep on the floor. Your choice. Now I'm leaving. Goodbye, you bald kid idiot.
How could I destroy this bedroom and beat up my dad for kept ground me for fun? I was wrong about it.